Where should you keep your original estate planning documents? We recommend that you keep them in a safe place. What does that mean? Well, you could have a safe at your house that is a fireproof safe. That's a great place to put them, as long as someone knows what the combination to your safe is. So that would be something you would want to share. Who would you share that with? Well, your estate planning documents are not just your will or your trust. Those include your original durable powers of attorney. What is a durable power of attorney? It's that document where you grant authority to somebody else to act on your behalf. So who should you be giving the safe combination to? The person who is your designated agent under your general durable power of attorney, because they are the person that you've trusted to manage your affairs. If you're alive and you can't, they should also be the person who can have access to the safe to get those durable power of attorney documents, the originals, as well as your will. So that's a very good place to put them. Some people put them in a locked file cabinet at home. That's fine, as long as it's in a place that makes sense. Some people put their original estate planning documents in their safe deposit box. So kind of like the issue with the safe is who has access to it. Your safe deposit box, you will need to tell the bank that you want your attorney, in fact, the person you designated under your power of attorney, to have access to your original documents, which are in your safe deposit box. So you have to tell the bank, you know, my agent has access to the safe deposit box. Let's say your executor of your estate is a different person. You may also want to give your executor access to the safe deposit box, because they're the one that needs to get to the original will upon your passing. The key is to make sure that you put your documents, your original documents, in a safe place, and you tell someone where those documents are, and you provide a means for them to have access to those original documents. Lots of times people get confused over copies of documents and originals. It's really important that the originals are safeguarded. When we at ELG Estate Planning provide estate planning services to our clients, we actually put their originals in a plastic folder, which is to indicate, hey, these are the originals, and they're marked original, etc. And then we also provide an estate planning notebook with all the copies and with the letters of instructions and more information, so that the client or anybody who would be acting on the client's behalf, their agent or their executor, has a place where they can find the notebook. You see, the notebook doesn't contain the original documents. It is a place where people can see, oh, here is the estate plan, I understand it. We recommend that the clients put in that notebook an indication of, where are my originals? My originals are located at. So the notebook is, even though it's something that you want to protect, not make available to everybody, you want to have it more accessible. So I wouldn't say put your notebook in a safe or put your notebook in a safe deposit box, but have it somewhere where anybody who is coming to your home would be able to see it, but obviously it's not out on display, because you probably want to keep some of that information private and confidential until the day comes that it's needed.